Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, enterprising endeavour by Repair Shop Mechanical Collective of Rourkela Steel Plant. Employee of the Month Award function held at E&ES Department. And critical equipment training organized for the management trainees of RSP. Now the news in detail. The Repair Shop Mechanical Collective of Rourkela Steel Plant RSP has for the first time fabricated, machined and assembled the lance carriage for the steel melting shop too. It is worth mentioning here that the lance carriage assembly is one of the critical equipments used in oxygen lancing system in LD converter of BOF shop SMS2. There are two lance carriage assemblies, namely left and right. They basically hold the complete lance assembly with water and oxygen hose. During operation, the carriage moves up and down along with the entire lance assembly. During oxygen blowing in converter, it absorbs the entire heat, load and vibration. In case of any breakdown or malfunctioning of carriages, the whole operation as well as production gets affected, as LD converters of SMS2 do not have a standby lance carriage. Hence, it was decided to develop a lance carriage assembly using in-house resources as a standby. A right lance carriage assembly was completely fabricated and machined in the shop complex of RSP, and all its components were developed in-house for the first time. The challenging job of assembling was executed in gearbox section of Repair Shop Mechanical successfully. This enterprising endeavour has resulted in a financial savings to the tune of Rs 50 lakhs. Availability of this lance carriage will ensure smooth production in SMS2. An Employee of the Month Award function was held at Electronics and Electrical Services Department on 22nd November. Mr. B.B. Chaudhary, DGM, E&ES presided over the meeting and handed over the award to Mr. B.R. Patro, Senior Technician for the month of October. Present on the occasion were other senior officers and employees of the department. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Chaudhary commended the sincerity and dedication of Mr. Patro and exhorted others to emulate the example set by him. It may be noted that Mr. Patro was recognized for his contribution towards enhancing the calibration capacity of DCCB test set from 4KA to 6KA. The program was coordinated by Mr. Sanjeev Behra, Assistant Manager Personnel. A week-long critical equipment training commenced for the newly inducted management trainees on 26 November. During this program, the trainees would be exposed to the functioning of Traffic and Raw Material Department, Field Machinery Maintenance Department, Crane Maintenance and Coke Ovens Battery. It may be noted that critical equipments impact safety, regulatory compliance, cost and operational throughput. Hence, managing critical equipment is of utmost importance for reducing operational risk and sustaining business objectives. The hands-on training and exposure to these sections will help the trainees to understand supplying raw material to different units of plant, collection of semi-finished, finished and waste byproducts generated by units in TRM department. In FMM department, the trainees will be able to see the utilization of mobile equipments and tractors by various production service departments for their production, operation, maintenance, housekeeping and erection, repair activities. Exposure to crane maintenance will help them understand the vitality of large fleet of EOT cranes in handling of raw materials to finished products in safe and efficient manner. The criticality of cooking process will be explained in coke oven battery, which is highly essential for production of hot metal. The program is being coordinated by Mr. H. Pati, DGM HRD, with the support of Mr. H. C. Panda, Senior Instructor HRD. That's all for the news today. Namaskar.